भैया एक प्लेट देना। अच्छा ये मैच छोड़ दो, इंडिया हारेगा, हमने कह दिया ना। हमारा बॉलिंग अटैक और एक घटिया बैटिंग, पिच कंडीशन।
जीतना है तो खेलो प्ले स्पॉट पर, बनो खेल का नया बादशाह।
Can you just take us through the last 24 hours? I mean, you came here or you stayed back just as a net bowler. You weren't even like all the time bowling. You were just rolling your arm over at times in the nets, and then to suddenly get the call up and make your Test debut. Can you just take us through the whole emotions and the whole thing?
First of all, I should thank the management for asking me to stay throughout the Test series because I felt I would really improve on my skill levels both in my batting as well as my bowling. Being over here and the facilities over here, the wickets and everything over here, I felt it would really help me to get better with my skill levels, and I have to thank the management for that. And yes, last 24 hours has been amazing for me, and management did ask me to be ready to play this game, and I was very excited, and definitely a dream come true moment for me. And I think I should dedicate this to my family because they've worked really hard on me. They've sacrificed a lot of things for me to achieve this, and I think without their support and without their thoughts, I don't think it would have been possible for me to have played Test match today. And it's definitely a dream come true, and especially to make a debut in a country like Australia, definitely feels really happy.
Thanks.
Yeah, just before we ask the next question, just wanted to know if the video quality is good at your end, because I think there is a bit of lag here. Are you able to see it clearly?
It's fine.
Yes,
Yeah, it's fine, 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 fine. Fine, Marlin.
All right. Yeah. Please, put yourself on mute. Thank you for that. Kushan Sarkar.
Washington would like to know, what was the plan that Ajinkya and Rohit set for Steve Smith, after the lunch, and also the fact that 22 overs you might need to bowl 35 to 40 overs in an innings. You have been playing the shorter format, so the stamina to bowl long. How have you prepared for it? If you could tell us a bit of both.
I think as any bowler, I love bowling a lot of overs, and it's just so much fun to bowl a number of overs. You give me 20, 30, 40, 50, I would really love to bowl so many overs. And yes, we had some plans going for Steve Smith and Labushan, and very glad that I got smudged out. And yes, felt good bowling here today, and first wicket definitely felt really good.
Yes, Prasanth Man.
Hi, Washington. Congrats on your debut. Marnus Labuschagne, just after the match, indicated that the cracks have opened up on day one, and I was a bit surprised. Do you think as the match progresses, you would get more help from the wicket? And also, do you think a fellow spin partner in Kuldeep Yadav would have complemented you better? Thanks.
What was the first question? Yeah,
First question was cracks.
Yeah. As far as today's day went, I think we all felt wicket was really good for batting, and there was a little bit of spongy bounce till lunch, and after that probably I think we felt wicket was very good, and the bowlers did a good job, to pick 5 wickets for 280 odd, and yes. The management's selection of players is their decision, and it's nothing of my opinions.
Yes, Anuj Mishra.
Yeah. Hi, Washington. Congratulations on your debut. We all know how Navdeep has to limp off the field and he's taken for the scans. I just wanted to know how is he feeling and will he be able to return to bowl on Saturday?
To be honest, I have no idea about that, and let's see. We really wish he comes back and bowls the first over tomorrow. But yes, I have no idea about that.
Swarup.
Hi, Washington. Congrats on your debut. I just want to ask about the role Bharat has played in the bowling group itself. Most of the guys have made debuts this series, but you're not really faced, you're not really overawed by the situation. You're just coming with discipline, so on and so forth. So, can you just talk a bit about Bharat's role in coaching all of you guys?
Yeah, so I think the question was about people making the debut, but not really nervous and not really worried while they were making the debut and they went out and performed their duties.
Yeah, it's a big opportunity to represent country in the first place, and Test cricket is an amazing thing to amazing place to represent. And yes, I think I was very excited to go there and bowl the first ball, and after that I just wanted to bowl a lot of overs and pick wickets and do really good for the team. And yes, definitely there was some a little bit of nervousness, but then yes, more than anything, it's an amazing opportunity to be representing the country.
Deepak Raghav.
Hi Washi, congrats on your debut. Hi. Just tell me, like, you've been playing a lot of T20. You've not played a lot of first class cricket for Tamil Nadu in recent years because you've been busy with the Indian team. So just tell me, how have you prepared since the T20 series got over? How have you prepared to bowl? Is there a lot of technical changes that you have to do looking into the longer format? And similarly for batting also, has there been a change in way you prepare for this since the T20 series?
I've always felt, my skill levels are good in red ball, and I have bowled a lot in first class and definitely a lot in my first division league in Chennai as well. So I've bowled a lot of red ball, and definitely I was just waiting for this opportunity. And yes, the last couple of months I was here, and I did get to bowl a lot of balls, and did get a chance to improve on my skill levels. And it was just quantity, and I didn't really change anything technically, but it was just that I had to give a lot of quantity and quality as well to go. So yeah.
The next question is from Prajakta on chat. She says, has Ashwin impacted your performance against Smith as you bowled 13 balls and he couldn't score a single run and then you took his wicket? Has Ashwin impacted your performance against Steve Smith and you also took his wicket? So was there a chat between the two of you earlier?
We did, as I said, we did have some plans going in for Smith, and yes, it's a different game altogether. Last game was different, entire conditions were different. This game is different. I had to bowl good balls over and over again to get him out, and yes, it happened, and I'm very glad.
Amit Gupta.
Washington, hi, this is Amit here. Throughout the series, the team has kept on suffering injury setbacks one after the other. What kind of role has the team management, including the bowling coaches and Ravi Shastri, played in keeping the morale of the whole bowling unit up? I mean, this game, if you'd say, everyone was inexperienced. So what kind of role have they played in keeping the morale of the unit up?
I think if you see everyone, they've all done really well in first class cricket, and it's an amazing opportunity to represent India and do really well for the test team as well for India. And as in more than inexperience, I think guys are all excited. Guys have really done well coming over here. So definitely we did have a lot of time over here as well to practice and to improve on our skill levels as well. So it was an amazing opportunity for all of us, and that's how everyone looked at this game. And hope we do really well in the next 4 days and win the game.
Suranjan sir.
Washington, I was there at Dublin when you unfortunately twisted your ankle and you had to miss out on that big series. And now you are here at Brisbane making your test debut. Can you tell us about this love relationship with cricket?
It's always been a lovely relationship with cricket. I've always enjoyed playing the sport, be it batting or bowling. I've always enjoyed my time with cricket. Yes, that injury was pathetic and had some horrible times going through. But then, yes, probably that phase did make me really strong and physically and mentally as well. So, yes, that phase is probably one of the phases I had to go through to get mentally and physically more stronger. But yes, I'm here today and I'm really happy. And whoever has helped me to get to the stage today, I think I really have to thank them and happy about it.
Bust up, Parida.
Hi, Washington. So congratulations on your debut. So Washington, you played your last first-class cricket before today in 2017. We saw you in Cuttack, like when you bowled a long spell and then you took 4 wickets as well. So my question is right now, how much is this debut going to change your priority in your cricketing career? Is it going to be more red ball oriented from now, or is it going to be the same white ball and then whenever getting a chances in red ball cricket?
To be honest, as I said, I love playing this game. I just want to play a lot of games, no matter it's white ball, pink ball, red ball. I just want to play a lot of games for the Indian team. That's my only focus, and I really will spend a lot of time and work really hard to improve it, to keep improving on my skill levels. And I just want to play a lot of games and win India a lot of games as well. So that's my only priority.
Yes, we shall now have last few questions. Yeah, Rob Fawcett.
Hey Washington, how did you find bowling to Marnus, and what do you think he did well to score a ton today?
I didn't understand.
Yeah, if you can repeat again.
How did you find bowling to Marnus, and what did he do particularly well today?
What did he do technically well today?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's a class batsman. That's why he's in the top 5 in the world ranking. And yes, we did have some plans going, but after lunch, we felt the wicket was really good, and he could play a lot of shots that he was not able to in the first 3 games. So yes, it was a quality knock from him. Yes, we really hope we get 2-3 wickets early in the morning tomorrow, and put ourselves in a very good position in the morning.
Final 2 questions now, Amlan.
Hi Washington, congratulations on your debut. And a Tamil Nadu player made his debut today. How happy you are with Natarajan's performance?
Yeah, we couldn't hear the last part.
How happy you are with Natarajan's performance today? Natarajan's debut.
I think Natu bowled really well today. He brought us back in the game. I think Wade and Labuschagne had 120 odd partnership going, and he took both of them out, and he bowled really well today, and definitely feels good to be making debut alongside him, and he's a champion bowler, and really hope he does really well in this test, and we could win this game for India.
स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ी किसी भी अपडेट के लिए स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पेज को भी जरूर फॉलो करें।